Hello everyone, welcome to Tute channel. In this video, we will understand what is confusion matrix. So I have also explained this video in Hindi. If you want to watch, then I have shared the link in the description below. Please go and check that. Okay, so I'll explain you this concept in a very simple language. Like I'll give you an example, and based on that, you will easily understand what is confusion matrix. So this confusion matrix is important because if you want to calculate the different metrics, like for example, if you have trained your model on classification algorithm and if you want to check the performance of it, then how you will test it? So there are different performance metrics, and all these performance metrics are based on confusion matrix. Like if you know confusion matrix, then you can easily use accuracy, precision, recall, etc. So it's very important to understand these concepts. So let's focus on this confusion matrix now. So as you can see in this diagram, there are four classifications. So basically, if your algorithm is for binary classification, then this is the output we can see here. So as you can see in this diagram, so there are basically four classes: true positive, false positive, false negative, and true negative. So we will understand this with the help of example. So one blood test was conducted among 1,000 persons. We don't know exactly what's the gender of the candidate, and now we want to know like whether that candidate is pregnant or not. Okay, so first of all, I'll explain you like how you can remember this. So at the top you can see that these are the actual values, true and false. Okay, and these are the predicted values, positive and negative. So let's take one example. For example, if your algorithm is trained on identifying dogs in a picture, okay, so the original picture is of dog, right? So that is your actual value, and your algorithm predicted that the picture is of cat, then that is your predicted value. So there is a difference between actual value and predicted value, right? So basically we are going to compare actual value to predicted value. So this confusion matrix will help us to bifurcate the results, and it will give us the different samples of the output. Okay, so that's why this confusion matrix is important. Now let's get back to the confusion matrix. So the first term is true positive. Now how to remember this? On the left hand side you can see that this is positive, and at the top true is written. Okay, so true positive. Okay, so when the actual result is positive and predicted value is also true or positive, then that is called as true positive. For example, your machine has detected a dog in a picture, and actually the picture is of dog itself, then it is called as true positive. In this case, woman is actually pregnant, and algorithm also predicted that the woman is pregnant. So this is called as true positive. Okay, so the next is, now let's see what is true negative. True negative means the person is not pregnant, and machine also predicted that the person is not pregnant. So the gender is of male, and actual value is not pregnant, and also machine predicted that it is not pregnant. So that is called as true negative. Okay, so how to remember true positive and true negative? So based on this you can easily remember, like if actual value is true and predicted value is true, it's true positive. If actual value is false and predicted value is also false, then it is called as true negative. Now let's understand what is false positive and false negative. False positive means the actual results are negative, but it is predicted as positive. For example, if the machine predicts that the candidate is pregnant, but in reality the person is not pregnant, then that is called as false positive. So this type of error is known as type 1 error. Okay, and if you go diagonally down, and here if we see that false negative means the actual value is positive, but algorithm says that it is negative. Okay, so the woman is actually pregnant, but the prediction says that the woman is not pregnant. So this is called as type 2 error. So this type 1 error and type 2 error, these two type of questions are generally asked in interviews. Okay, so please remember this. So in short, I have explained you what is confusion matrix, and these values then we will use to calculate the different performance metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment, and please like this video as well as subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.